we can see trending on this chart here. We can view it by week, month, up to a year. And we also, if we like to, we can save that to a CSV. Now, if I go ahead and click that, you'll see my browser download folder has a CSV file that was put in it. So I would just go right there to my browser's download folder to open that up and take a look at the data. So up here we have gas density, and really just based on the rate of change of that gas density, we can calculate an actual leakage rate, and we can compare that to what we expect. So you'll see we have some, if the leakage rate's too high, we have a warning, we have an alarm state or a threshold, and you'll see that on this chart. And the same story, we can save that data to a CSV. So this is what we have in terms of just this kind of added ability that we added recently, the ability to monitor these GDMs, monitor these kind of gas densities and their rate of leakage. So it adds some usefulness for some kind of system monitoring stuff you may already have out there. We now have the ability to monitor that data right here on the Orion and to capture data, save data to your computer, all of that. The last thing I wanted to point out on this screen, because I had mentioned it before when we were in NCD, we do have these reset buttons for resetting the density and the date, resetting the trend data. And if you recall back on the other screen, we had that checkbox on the port screen that had said GIS, or for gas insulated substation. And you'll recall I said if we click these reset buttons, and if that button's not checked, then it's just going to reset this particular device. But if you have that checkbox checked, we say these GDMs, they're monitoring a whole substation. If we click reset, they're going to reset all the devices we had configured. So that's just a little tip on the best way to use this, or how to use this for monitoring.